We return to demonstrate methods of attaching lifting and moving equipment, beginning with the chain block. It is usual to attach a chain block to an overhead beam via a beam clamp, or, in our case, with a support sling. This should be positioned in such a way that the lift hook will hang directly above the load's center of gravity, thus ensuring that the load will remain level when lifted. We turn our attention now to the turfer, which needs some careful preparation before using. The safe use of a turfer depends on solid and secure anchoring, either to existing uprights or to pegs hammered in the ground. The device is anchored with a removable bolt, which is in turn attached to a sling or a shackle. A retaining pin prevents the bolt from slipping out. When operating a turfer, always make sure that you have plenty of space so that the operating lever can be used without being obstructed. Where no suitable anchor points are available for anchoring the turfer, then 3 heavy pegs are used. These should be spaced 1 meter apart and driven solidly into the ground at an angle of 45 degrees. The length of pegs used will depend on the hardness of the ground. However, as a rule, at least 2/3 of the peg should be in the ground, and the remaining third serves as the anchoring point. The 3 pegs are then securely lashed together. This concludes program number 2 of this series.